Welcome to another episode of the Vegan Hungarian. Today we're going to make that classic dish, chicken paprikash, which is basically just paprika, oil, and butter, and sour cream. The hard part of making a vegan version of the paprikash is what to do about the sour cream. So I'm going to start out by making my version of a vegan sour cream. I'm going to add a creamy oat milk, tapioca flour or starch, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, nutritional yeast, salt, and paprika. If you were truly doing Hungarian cooking, you wouldn't even measure your paprika. You would just keep on adding it until you hear the voice of your ancestors that say, "That's enough, my child." So, okay, we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Okay, that looks good. Set that aside for a moment. Get my pan here, 8 by 10 pan. Add your favorite vegan chicken or chicken breasts to it, plant-based. Cover that with some onions and green peppers sliced. Add the sour cream mixture. And I have an oven preheating to 400 degrees here. And here we have red, white, and green, the colors of the Hungarian flag. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the oven. And here it is, vegan chicken paprikash.